So, Madhu, do you have any doubts regarding the earlier sessions?
No, sir. Till now, I don't have any questions.
Okay. So, in earlier session, we discussed about the topics, field types, right?
Field types and page layouts.
Field type. Okay, page layouts. So, coming to page layouts, there are few remaining field types are there. That is roll-up summary field we didn't discuss, and relation related fields like master related, okay, lookup relation. Those fields we need to discuss. Later on we will see about page layouts. Fine.
Okay.
So I'm trying to access the fields, list of fields. For that, setup under build, click on create to expand, and after that select one field. Okay, objects. From the objects, I'm selecting this field. Go to custom relations and fields section. Okay, click new. So here there are formula field left to discuss, okay, and lookup relation, master detail. These are the main things. Coming to formula field, it is the a field, formula field. It gives the result, okay, result based on some other field inputs, okay. That means it will take the values from other fields, okay, and by doing some calculations, it will fetch the result, right? This is a simple way of defining a formula field in Salesforce, okay. It will take few inputs from other fields, okay. From the values given to other fields, it will take as inputs, and by doing or executing or calculating those fields, and it will fetch the result and assign to the formula field. So coming to picture, okay, we will select this formula type here. Okay, here gives the label name. So in my example, first of all, I need to analyze what are the existing fields, so that I can able to have the clear idea about this, what to do. So I'm opening already existing record for that purpose to read the existing fields. So there is marks percentage. This is the number, okay, so that I can calculate some values based on numbers, currency values like that, okay. So there is no numeric number detail fields here. So for that reason, to create my formula field, before this step, I will create two numeric fields, okay? Two number type fields. Based on that, I will calculate a thing, okay? So for now, I'm taking number or currency, okay? So currency I'm taking, okay? No issue. We can use any type, like a date type we can use, okay? Numbers, currency, checkbox, any type we can use, okay? So mostly this is the case. Mostly we will use in real time currency values, okay? And currency values we will use formulas. And also formula field is read-only field. So at the time, you are entering the details to form, save the record, okay? Actually formula fields not exist on the edit layout, okay? Read-only field. And also the second note is you cannot notice this field type on a edit record edit layout, okay? So record edit page layout, you cannot notice this field, okay? It will be hidden only on the detail page layout only. It will give the details. It will show its value. It's taking much time, I don't know. Let me try logging from another browser. Currency I have taken. So here, student fees, okay? This is the field name, and this I'm selecting 16 digits, and after that 2 decimal points here, okay? So this is the required one to save the student record, and after that next, this is the visibility field added to the page layout. After that, again taking currency field, as the inputs should be 2 or more, okay? So concession, okay, in the fee concession it is It's also 16 digits. And advertisement, free concession. This is also required one. Or else we can make it, not mandatory. No issue with this. So I have two numeric, fields on my object. This is the object. You can check here. We have student fees as well as a free concession. So my formula, I'm building a formula for this total fee paid. Total fee paid. Okay, this is the formula field. So for that, what would be the formula for this? Student fees. Student fees minus free concession. Okay. Concession. This would be my formula, right? So how to do this? Okay. So this is actually the client's requirement. This would be the client's requirement. So you need to analyze what is the exact calculation, or else you can take the client's help to build this formula. Okay. So they are already maintaining in terms of Excel sheets or somewhere else they are already maintaining. So what they are doing right now, they are converting to cloud. Okay. No need to worry about in real-time manner. In real time, you will get all the help from your requester who is requesting this particular form. Okay. So actually, you are helping them to have a cloud application. Okay. So you just need to how to create all these things. Later on at the time you are working real time, so you will get all the help regarding these calculations and all. So here you will select this formula. This is the formula field. So total and here what is the return type for your formula? Actually you are doing calculation on currency fields, so definitely you will get the currency value. Okay. Okay. So if you are working on date, definitely you will expect date from the formula. If you are working on number inputs, if you are taking numbers as inputs, so definitely number will be returned. So for this particular field, you will get the currency only. Okay. So here we have in this particular step two types of formula builders. This is the simple formula builder and this is the advanced formula builder. So in advanced formula builder you will have functions, list of functions available in Salesforce. These are the function categories: date and time, logical, mathematical, text. Okay, all these are the functions. So coming to mathematical, you will have blank value, distance, ceiling. Okay, with a description for every function. You will have some description how to execute those functions. Okay. So if you need further more help, okay, you can click on after selecting any function. You can just click on this. It will open one documentation window for you. I have selected date function. So let's see what happens. In detail description about how to execute and simple examples will be there. So these are the functions. Like that. So coming to our example, we need to first take the value from first field, that is what is the first field? Student fees. Okay, where the student fees field exists on sample objects object. Okay, so how to insert that field? Here we have the button insert field. Just by clicking on this one, so you will be have the list of available fields from the sample objects. Okay, by default it will be selected. Why? Because you are again building one formula field on this object itself, right? So here you will select student fees, click on insert. Okay, student fees API name. This is the API name for student fees object. So because this is custom field, so this is postfixed with the _C. So this is the indication that this field is of type custom. Okay, if this is a standard field type, so it will be just like this, not _C. Okay, so that is the indication how to how to identify a custom field API or standard field API. Custom will be having postfix with _C. After that, you need one operator that is minus. Okay, so by using this one insert operator, you will insert subtract. Okay. So after that, again you need another field, insert field. So free concession, take this one and insert. Okay, let's check if this formula calculation is syntactically correct or not in terms of Salesforce. Okay, this is the check button. So check syntax. It will check whether your defined formula or calculation is correct or not. So there is no syntactical errors. Okay, like that. After that, for numbers, okay, you can select zeros. This one, first option. For text, you can take this blanks. So leave it as visibility. In the next step, we are adding to the page layout. Okay. So coming to our object, click on object. Here you can observe this is edit, page layout. This is this is not edit. This is detail page layout. Will come. So on detail page layout only you will see total fee paid. Okay, as there is no values, as there is no values given. Okay, for this earlierly created record, we have 0 for this formula field. Okay, coming to create a new record. Here you can observe there is no formula field. There is no formula field. Only we can see student fees as well as fee concession. After giving and saving this record, you will get the formula field value. So here I am giving name for this user. So this is the again mandatory, that is red mark. You can observe red mark. That means that field is mandatory, right? If there is no red mark, that field is not mandatory until and unless it is a validation rule type. Okay, if it is having validation rule, then again it will be a mandatory to correct your input values. Okay, if you are not providing correct details to the particular field, it will be a validation check. Again, it will ask for the correct details. So, student fees, concession. Okay, so let's see. So you can observe here 980 automatically calculated and assigned to the total fee paid. Got it?
Got it.
So this is about the formula fees. This is bit important regarding real-time, tasks. Okay.
Okay.
So coming to list of form fields, auto number we discussed, formula, roll-up summary left. Okay. Roll-up summary is related to master detail relationship. Once we discussed about master detail relationship, so after that roll-up summary will be discussed. Okay, then that will be coincidence.
And lookup relationship.
Lookup relationship also related to object relations. So we will see about those relations. So before that, I will discuss about the concepts, page layouts. Okay. So actually these are a bit important, very important, not bit important in real time. So I think tomorrow it is a good time to discuss those things. Probably we can expect Nagendra also. Okay. So before that, let me complete the concept of page layouts. Okay, in this session. Coming to page layouts. So page layout is nothing but whatever we are, whatever the things we are having on a particular object. So here you can see this is the section title, and these are the page block buttons. Okay, and these are the page block fields on page block. Again, these are page block buttons, and this is one section, notes and attachments. So like that, everything, whatever doing in a particular object, like creation of, okay, like entering details to a particular field name. So all these things can be configured. That means if I need this student email on the right side under owner, okay, I can do that. Or else if I want to adjust course selection field under known languages or student profile, okay, I can do that. So where I can do that? From here I can't do. From here this is static thing. I can't move this field from here to down. Okay, I can't move this field to up. I can't move this field to side in next column. So page layouts allows all these things. Okay, page layouts is separate concept. Okay, which allows using page layouts. Okay, you can do organization of fields on an object so edit as well as detail. We have two types of page layouts. First one is edit page layout. Okay, detail page layout. So edit layouts allows users to enter details, to save to fields, and saving the record. Okay, coming to detail page layout, this is read only, okay. User can edit this record by click on edit page block button. From this page layout. That means, so this is editable. This page layout is editable. That's why we call as edit page layout. So once you save this record to the database, okay, it will converted as this format. So this is already saved record I am opening. So we call as detail page layouts, and this is read only. We cannot edit this one. Okay, only by click on edit, it will convert to edit page layout, and there you will do the modifications. Okay, there you will do the modifications, and again you will save the record. So it will be gets updated. Okay, so how to customize, how to reorganize fields on this detail page layout and as well as edit page layouts, that we will see now. Okay, so this is the path setup. Okay, under build, expand, create, click on buttons, go to our example object where we are doing all these things, click on that one. After that, scroll down. Here you will see the section, page layout section. Just click on edit under actions. This is the default page layout. Okay, scroll down here. Okay, so this is the area where you need to do all these things. Okay, so here I am doing. Just to drag the field name, and you can do selection. So with this, I'm saving this page layout. You can use either quick save if you are still working on page layouts. Okay, it will be here only after saving the current customizations. Okay, if you click this one, save, it will close the entire page layout editor. So here you can observe the changes to my page layout. Okay. So this is how it gets, and also try create new one. So here you can observe clearly what happened to my page layout. Okay. So coming to sections like this. Okay, here we have two sections, right? Information is one, system information is another one. So for my particular object, if I need any sections like this, okay, so how this should be created means using again page layouts. First one is completed, so organization or reorganization of fields. Second one is to create sections. So this is how to create section. Just select this one, okay, section. Where this one under fields. Under fields, we have several menus here. All these things, okay. No need to worry about all these things. So we will use only fields, buttons, okay. Related list also we can use. Report charts also we will use in real time. So other things are not that much important. That will make you confusion. So here we will have the section. Just to drag this section on our page layout like this. First adjust your page layout, okay, like this position. After this, just okay, I'm dropping here. Give the student course details, okay. So here you can observe where this section should be visible. If I check this one on edit page layout, I will get this section, okay, and this means on edit on this detail page layout, okay. and also one column format, two column format. Two column format means like this: one column, two column. Okay.
In same section.
So if I select only one column, that means single column.
Okay.
Single column. I'm selecting one column. So this is the section created. Okay. And also what I'm doing, select course selection. Yes, I'm dragging and this, and simply saving this using quick save. Just reload this page and you will see student course details section with course selection field. Okay. Nothing will happen to our fields. Okay, already values will remain same, and field names, label names, everything will be remain same. Okay, only thing we are just customizing our record page layout appearance, how it should be displayed, which field should be where on my particular record, like alignment. Coming to so here we have a blank space. Okay, so if you want to give some gap between the fields, you can drag this one and drag between. Okay, you can use this anytime. Coming to the third property, third usage of this page layouts is to make fields mandatory. So once after creation of fields, you can make the fields mandatory. Okay, or read only from the page layout. Okay, mandatory field means value should be given to save the record. Without giving values for that particular record, you cannot save the record. So here, how many mandatory fields are there? Two fields, right? One is student name, second one is student fees. So how to create this? We have created at the time creating these two fields, and this is the standard field. So that's why this is without assigning mandatory feature to it, already created. And this is the custom field. Okay, at the time creating custom field of type currency, we have given the checkbox to make this mandatory. So once after creation of fields, we can make any other fields on my page layout to make that field mandatory. So here I'm making this one student email as a mandatory, like this. Go to properties. Okay, I'm just clicking on properties for this particular field and clicking required. Okay, and click on save, quick save. Coming to here, okay, I'm reloading the page. That means all my page layout changes will be coming to picture, reflect my page layout. Just reload the page. After that, we will see how many mandatory fields are there. So here you can see student email also became a mandatory field. Okay, this is by using the page layouts. So that is one. Coming to page layouts. So if you click this one, this will become read only. Okay. Read only means you cannot edit that field. Only you can able to view the details. Let's see what happened. Here you can see the lock symbol. Why? Because this is the read only, so you cannot change the values. Let me give some details for this read only field. Student 2. Okay. Student email or student percentage? Which one we have made?
Email.
Email only, right?
Yeah.
Give some value.
It should not be taken, right? When we click on read only.
It is, it is because of, my permission as a administrator for this particular object. Okay, that is why it is not working. So actually, it is applied. Okay, read only. As we can see the lock symbol for this particular. Okay, but I'm having extra permissions to edit this particular record. Okay, for my profile, it is, editable. Okay, if any other user log in from his profile, from his username password, so it will be just logged. Read only. So like this. Here you can observe. You cannot edit this one. This is not editable. Okay, like that. Okay. So it actually it is very loose security. If you are if you are doing anything security related, it is loose security, very least. Okay, that means when you make this required or remove some fields from here for a particular user, or like that, in another concept we have record types. Okay, so providing security through page layouts is a very less security. So though users will able to find those fields or edit those fields. Okay, so it is better to provide security from the at the time creating fields itself, or else we have few other concepts: field accessibility. Uh, Field accessibility is effective security. Okay, there you will see about all these things: how to make a feed read only. Okay, how to hide it, like that. So coming to other areas, okay, of page layouts, we have related records, related list. This is one related list, for example. This is not exactly the related list. Okay, so if I'm having any relation with other objects in my organization, Salesforce organization, that means the related list, the related details will be listed out here under the actual record. Okay, so in my organizations, I already maintaining a relation. Okay, in another application, so let me open and explain you. So there you will find the related list. So my concept related to both related list and page layouts is uh, page layouts allows what are the fields you need to have on a particular related list. We can customize those things using page layouts. That is the only way to customize related list and which field should be visible. Let me take some standard. Okay, let me open accounts. This is the standard object. I can take any record. So here you can observe this is the accounts object detail page. Account object detail page. Under this one we have contacts, opportunities, cases. Okay, so account is already maintaining relation with contacts, opportunities, cases. So here we call these list. Okay, this section we call as related list. This section we call as related list. This section we call as related list. So what are the fields we have under this related list? Okay. Here you can observe action we have, after that opportunity name, after that stage, after that amount, after that close date. How to customize this? Okay, let me explain you. So this is the account page layout. I'm just going to related list. Here you can observe the title itself saying related list. Okay, or else you can just click on this one, related list. After that, here you have the customized properties button, that is range button. So here I am explaining about opportunities related list. Okay, already I am having opportunity name, stage, amount, close date, action. What I am doing, opportunity name, stage, amount, close date, right? I am adding 2 more. Next step I'm taking also type. Okay, this is how so 2 fields gets added to my related list. After that, quick save. Come here, an account detail page. Here you can observe type, next step gets added. So this thing, that means customization of related list. Okay, we can do using PageLayouts. Customization of fields display and a related list. So we can do this one using PageLayouts. We can do reorganization of fields on an object, that may be edit page layout or detail page layouts we can do, and creation of sections. Okay, several number of sections we can create using page layouts, and also to make fields on edit page layout or detail page layouts mandatory or read only, we can do that one also, and customization of fields on a related list. Okay, so we can do this one also using PageLayouts.
Okay.
Let me check if there are any other features. If we have already created any buttons, custom buttons, okay, we have in another concept creation of custom buttons links. Okay, so all those buttons will be available under buttons section. So here I have created sharing approval button, share submit for approval. So this button I can drag on this. This is the standard button, that's why it added to the standard button section. If I want to remove, I can remove. Sharing also I can remove. Change owner, I can remove. Okay, delete also I can remove. Let's see what happened. Go to my sample objects object, which is on demo app. So here you can observe on a detail page only edit clone, there is no delete. Okay, so I am just giving delete button. Delete I have just added, and click on quick save. Just reload this one. Okay, delete. So this is how to customize page block buttons. Okay, page block buttons will be added on the, above the form, below the form. Okay, and also these buttons will have some action. When click that one, it will execute the action. Okay, all these are standard buttons. If you want to create custom buttons, you can create that is another concept. Okay, actually. So here we are discussing about how to add or delete, remove buttons from a page layout, right? So coming to other sections, okay, all these are standard. Again, all these are buttons having some action. If you want to add this, I think on related list we can use this one. There is no related list here, so might be that's why it is not working. Okay, I will check this one. Salesforce one is, application. Okay, this is the section we need to drag. Quick actions. I think here we need to drag here. This is how to drag. Okay. Yeah, this is the way to add the quick actions. So like that we can add the quick actions. Here. Salesforce one actions. Salesforce one is mobile application. Okay. So for the mobile applications, actions, what are the actions related to this particular object you are assigning? Okay. Again, Salesforce Classic also mobile application only. Salesforce Classic mobile application. So these are the actions you are assigning to your mobile application version. Okay. There the user will perform these actions. Okay. So if you want to check this one, check this feature, you need to install mobile applications like Salesforce Classic as well as Salesforce One mobile applications from Play Store. Okay. After that, you will come to know how this, able to work. Also coming to extended lookups. This also not useful that much. Related list. Okay. So on related list, you will use these things. Approval history. Like that.
Directly we can add the sections.
All these are, again other sections. Other sections that is related to every object. By default, every object may or may not have these details. Related groups where the object is included in a particular group. Okay. Files. If there is any file attached to the particular record, those attachments will be listed out here. Okay. Like that. Content deliveries. How many types? Who are the users? It is exported or imported, like that, those details. Approval history, okay, which record submitted for approval, on which date, to whom, assigned to whom, and who is the actual approver. So what are the approval comments? Whether it is rejected, those details also included in addition to the rejected comments. Notes and attachments, okay. So on the particular record, if there is any pending actions, you can put that information in the form of notes and attachments. Any useful notes related to the particular record, you can attach those details. So using this section, okay. So that is about the page layouts, and also we have layout properties. There is no much information in this section, okay. Here we have the preview as button. So for every profile, okay, what is the visibility? You can check here. Which profile is, having visibility like that. This is a bit advanced. I will explain you later. Once after having proper, practice on this page layouts. So here we have mini page layout, mini console view. Okay. Here this is another important concept, mini page layout. I will explain you. So all these things. Okay, coming to page layouts, this is enough. Okay, customization of fields, creation of sections, making fields mandatory or read-only, and also a customization of fields display under related list. Okay, so with this, I can conclude this topic. Okay, so tomorrow we will see about object relations. Okay, we already discussed about creation of objects and creation of fields and reorganization of fields on a particular page layouts. Okay.
Okay.
So now this is a good time to discuss about object relationships. Okay, that we will see in our next session, that is on tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I hope tomorrow is fine for you because we have independence celebrations tomorrow.
No, I don't have any independence celebrations.
Okay, so tomorrow is fine for you, right? Both of you.
No, okay, sir.
Okay, fine, Madhu. Thanks for joining the session. Okay, I'm closing the session right now.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Happy weekend.
Bye. Thank you.